In this guide, we will show you how to change a private YouTube video to public. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to YouTube and head to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you are not signed in, make sure to do so. From the list of options, select YouTube Studio. Once in the YouTube Studio, go to the left hand menu and click on Content. Here, you will see all your videos. Choose the video or multiple videos you want to change from private to public. For this example, I will select this video on the left. After selecting the video, click on Edit and then Visibility. Change the setting from private to public and click Update Videos. Confirm your decision. This method is useful because you can update the visibility of multiple videos at once. You can also change the visibility directly from the content list, but this can be slower if you have many videos. As you can see, the video is now public and available for everyone to watch. If you found this guide useful and want to see more, please leave a like. Thanks for watching.